Are you thinking about getting a parrot as a companion or a pet? Please do your research and think twice. These birds can be very noisy and destructive when out of their cage. They are a lifetime commitment. They live 70 plus years. Yes, they're beautiful and awesome birds. But you have to take the time to train them. You do not want to get bit by one of these. If you live in an apartment, you probably don't want one. You will have so many complaints because of the noise. Just do lots of research before thinking about buying one. Isn't that right, Akela? Huh? Isn't that right? Research before you buy, right? They will figure out ways to get out of their cage. She opens these doors that her food and water's in. She can open them and get out. They're very smart. They can be very expensive. They need lots of toys. And they need on a pellet diet, not seed diet, which can be expensive. So just think twice before you decide to get one.